So the problem here is consider two random variables x1, y1 are related to another random variables x and y by coordinate rotation, where x1 is given as x cos theta plus y sin theta, y1 is given as y cos theta minus x sin theta, where theta is coordinate rotation angle. It is shown in the figure. Okay. So here this is the random variable x, whereas this is the random variable y. If theta is given like this, what is this indicates? X cos theta. This distance indicates y sin theta. Sorry, x cos theta, and this distance indicates y cos theta. Okay. And here, if x1 and y1, what are these? Are Gaussian random variables, and these random variables are independent and uncorrelated also. Okay. Then show that angle of, so what is that we have to do? We have to show that angle of coordinate rotation theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse 2 rho sigma x sigma y by sigma x square minus sigma y square. Okay, this is the problem. Now we'll see the solution of this. So the solution here is what is given? X1, the random variables x1 is equal to what? X cos theta plus y sin theta, whereas y1 is equal to y cos theta plus minus x sin theta. Okay. Then what is that given here? X1 and x2 are Gaussian random variables and are also uncorrelated Okay, these are uncorrelated. So what is correlation coefficient? The correlation coefficient will be 0. So what is that we do here? So if correlation coefficient is equal to 0 means what? The covariance will be 0. So if correlation coefficient is 0, then what it indicates? The covariance will be 0. So what we do here? We find out the covariance and equate it to 0 because it is given that x1, y1 are uncorrelated. So if rho is equal to 0, correlation coefficient. What is rho? It is correlation coefficient. If rho is equal to 0, means what? The covariance Cxy will be 0. So first we'll find out what is Cx1, y1. So Cx1, y1. How do you find out Cx1, y1? It is given as expected value of x1 minus x1 bar into y1 minus y1 bar. Okay. So that is mu 1 bar, no? So it is x1 minus x1 bar, y1 minus y1 bar. Okay. So now substitute x1. What is x1? x1 is x cos theta plus y sin theta minus what is x bar? X cos theta plus sin theta, okay, into what is y here? Y is y cos theta minus x sin theta, okay, minus y bar. What is y bar? Y cos theta minus x sin theta. Okay. So now this can be written as expected value of x cos theta plus y sin theta minus, so x bar, we will be applying expectation to the random variables here. This is x bar, cos theta is constant, we write cos theta like that only, minus here minus y bar sin theta. Okay, is it clear here? So it is x bar cos theta minus y bar sin theta into this term. So this can be written as y cos theta minus x sin theta minus y bar. Cos theta is constant, no? For constant, the mean value will be the same. So minus minus it becomes plus here, x bar sine. Okay. Now this can be written as expected value of, so cos theta is common here, check it, x minus x bar cos theta, okay, plus y minus y bar sin theta we are getting here, into here also. Check this, we will be getting y minus y bar cos theta, okay. Then can you tell me what is the next term? Minus x minus x bar sine. Is minus x bar sine. Now multiply these two terms. If you multiply these two terms, what will be getting here? We'll be getting expected value of x minus x bar cos theta into y minus y bar cos theta. So you will be getting cos square theta here, y minus y bar cos theta. Then multiply these two terms, minus x minus x bar square sin theta cos theta, okay, plus y minus y bar square sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta, plus minus the next term, y minus y bar into x minus x bar sin square theta. Okay. So what is that we did here? So here it is given that x1 and y1 are Gaussian random variables and these are also uncorrelated. Since these are uncorrelated, what is the correlation coefficient? The correlation coefficient will be 0. So when this will be 0, if covariance is 0. Okay. So that is why first we are finding what is the covariance of x1, y1. Since x1, y1 are uncorrelated, we equate covariance to 0 so that we get what is the angle theta and show that that angle is equal to this value. That is the procedure we are following here. Okay. So next we'll write here. I'll continue this here. So what is that we got here? It is expected value of, okay. See here, x minus x bar into y minus y bar. X minus x bar by y minus y bar will take common. X minus x bar into y minus y bar. If you take common, so here we will be getting cos square theta. Whereas here, this term, in this term we have
minus sin square theta.
Okay. Then see this term here, we get x minus x bar square sin theta cos theta. Okay, whereas this term is plus y minus y bar square sin theta cos theta. Okay, so we know that cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to
Cos 2 theta.
it is cos 2 theta. So it is expected value of x minus x bar y minus y bar cos 2 theta, okay, plus see here sin 2 theta cos 2 Sin theta cos theta. What is sin theta cos theta? Sin theta into cos theta is equal to what?
Theta by 2.
Sin 2 theta by 2.
Theta by 2.
It is sin theta by 2. So here we write it as y minus y bar square minus, here you see minus sign, x minus x bar square. Okay, for this what is the multiplication factor? Sin 2 theta by 2. It is sin 2 theta by 2. Okay, now what is that we have discussed? See here, cos 2 theta is constant, no? That is why we will be applying expectation to x minus x bar, y minus y bar. Okay, so we are applying expectation to x minus x bar, y minus y bar, cos 2 theta is constant. Similarly, here also we will apply expectation to y minus y bar square minus expected value of x minus x bar square. Whereas for this, what is the multiplication coefficient will be sin 2 theta by 2. Okay. Is it clear? Any doubts till now? Any doubts here? Students, any doubts here? Okay. Now, since these two are uncorrelated, what is given? It is given and these two are uncorrelated. So, Cx1 y1 will be equal to 0. So, we equate this equation to 0. So, we get what? Expected value of x minus x bar, y minus y bar is what? Expected value of x minus x bar into y minus y bar is what? It is Cxy. It is the covariance Cxy. Okay. And similarly, expected value of y minus y bar square. What is this now? Expected value of y minus y bar square is the variance. Similarly, the expected value of x minus x bar square is what? Is sigma x square, the variance sigma x square. Okay. So, in this equation, we substitute expected value of x minus x bar, y minus y bar as Cxy cos theta, cos 2 theta plus what is this? Variance, no? Sigma y square minus sigma x square into sin 2 theta by 2 equal to 0. Okay. Because what is that given? It is given that x1, y1 are uncorrelated. So Cx1, y1 is equal to 0. Okay. From this, we get Cxy cos 2 theta is equal to, can you tell me what you get here? Sigma x square, sigma y square, because it will become minus, no? That side, divided by 2 sin 2 theta. Okay. So, what is sin theta by cos theta? Sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta is equal to 2Cxy by, is it 2Cxy? Sigma x square minus sigma y square. It is 2Cxy by sigma x square minus sigma y square. Okay. Now what is Cxy? How do you write Cxy? What is Cxy? Cxy by sigma x, sigma y is equal to what? It is equal to rho, no? What is rho? Correlation coefficient. Rho is equal to Cxy by sigma x, sigma y. So what is Cxy from this? Cxy is equal to rho sigma x, sigma y. So in the place of 2Cxy, 2 rho sigma x, sigma y divided by sigma x square minus sigma y square. Okay. So now what is theta? What is this? Sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. What is this? This is tan 2 theta. What is tan 2 theta now? Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 rho sigma x sigma y by sigma x square minus sigma y square. So, what is theta now? What is theta? 1 by 2 tan inverse 2 rho sigma x sigma y by sigma x square minus sigma y square. So, we got the same thing now. So, what is the angle of coordinate rotation? Theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse 2 rho sigma x sigma y divided by sigma x square minus sigma y square. Any doubts here, students? Note on one more problem. For two random variables x and y, the joint density function is given like this: fxy of x comma y is equal to 0.15. It is 0.15 del of x plus 1 del of x plus 0.1 del of x del of y plus 0.1 del of x del of y minus 2 plus 0.4 del of x minus 1 del of y plus 2 plus 0.2 del of x minus 1 del of y minus 1 plus 0.05 del of x minus 1 del of y minus 3. Okay, this is the problem. It is given that fxy of x comma y is equal to 0.15 del of x plus 1 del of y plus 0.1 del of x del of y plus 0.1 del of x del of y minus 2, 0.4 del of x minus 1 del of y plus 2, 0.2 del of x minus 1 del of y minus 1, 0.05 del of x minus 1 del of y minus 3. Okay. Find correlation. You have to find out correlation and correlation coefficient, correlation coefficient. Then check whether x and y. Check whether x and y are uncorrelated or orthogonal. Check whether x and y are uncorrelated or orthogonal. This is the problem given. Okay. So now on the solution. So what is given here? See here, x and y. If you observe this equation, it is not continuous. So x and y are discrete. So if you check this equation, we can know that x and y are discrete. So what is probability density function here? Will be equal to probability mass function. Probability density function will be equal to probability mass function. Okay. Now we just write this table here. Write the table. Note on this table now. Okay. Here we are writing x, y values and corresponding probability. And the corresponding probability here. Okay. Can you tell me what is x, y values here? What are the x, y values? So del of x plus 1, del of y. Del of
Yes, madam. Hi.
Del of x plus 1, del of y. What are the value? X value is minus 1, y value is 0. Then what is del of x, del of y? This is having the value 1 only at zeros. This is having the value 1 only at zeros. Okay. And write their corresponding probabilities here. And tell me what is this now? What are its coordinates? What is x value?
0, 2, ma'am. 0 and 2.
2.
0 and 2. What is its corresponding probability right here? For next one, ma'am. For next one, students. For next one. For this one.
1 minus 2, ma'am. 1 minus 2.
Okay. The next one, students. For next
1 1.
1. Okay. And next one. Students, next
1 3.
1 3. Very good. 0.0. Okay. So this is the table. So now, what is correlation? AB. What is correlation? Correlation we denote with RXY, yes or no, students? It is nothing but expected value of XY. Is it continuous or discrete? We have discussed that X and Y are discrete. So what is the equation for discrete? Summation with respect to X, summation with respect to Y, XY, PXY of X comma Y. Okay. So it is XY, PXY of X comma Y. For example, you are doing summation with respect to N here. So for X, M here. How many values we have for X? You check. -1, 0, 1. And that's all. -1, 0, 1. -1, 2, 1. For n, see here now. 0, 2, -2, 1, 3. So it starts from -2 to 3. So here we will be having xn, yn. Here we will be having xn, yn. Okay. Otherwise, we can use this table directly. Multiply x, y value. What is x value? -1. Y value is 0. And the corresponding probability. Plus multiply x value, y value, and its corresponding probability. Then the next x value and y value mark. The next x value, y value, and its corresponding probability, plus the next value 1, -2, -0.4. And here, see what is x? 1, y is also 1. So x is 1, y is also 1, and its corresponding probability 0.2. The next one, x is 1, y is 3, and its corresponding probability. Can you tell me what is the answer here we get? Anyway, these terms are zeros. We will be having only these 3 terms. Okay, multiply those 3 terms, add, and tell me the answer. What is the answer you got? Okay. So the next step is you have to find out correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient. So to find out correlation coefficient, CXY is equal to expected value of XY minus X bar Y bar. Okay, how do you write this? This can also be written as RXY minus X bar into Y bar. Or we can also write like this now. RXY is nothing but XY whole bar. RXY is nothing but XY whole bar minus X bar Y bar. RXY we got here. What is the answer we got? Okay. For this, we have to find out what is X bar Y bar. To find out X bar Y bar, we require what is Px of X. How do you find out Px of X? By substituting y is equal to infinity, we get px of x. Okay, similarly, by substituting x is equal to infinity, substituting x is equal to infinity, we get py of y. That is marginal probability mass functions. What are this? These are marginal